Coming up with WeatherWise. Colorado District Attorney is asking a judge to reconsider the 110-year sentence of a truck driver convicted in a fatal interstate wreck. Fox 40 legal analyst Ken Rosenfeld is live at his office in Sacramento to talk about this case and others making headlines. Ken, we've heard about this story here. The accident was a horrific accident. Looks like the guy passed a runaway truck ramp and kept going and then hit a bunch of vehicles going 85 miles an hour plus. The sentencing in this case, 110 years, I believe, they want it reconsidered. What do you think?
Well, I think that the district attorney should resign. The district attorney knew very well what the sentence could be when they filed the charges. But now that Kim Kardashian cries and it gets a lot of online support, the district attorney goes back to court and is screaming foul and unfair. The only reason the district attorney is doing that is because of social pressure. That is not what a district attorney should do. That is not the right job for the district attorney. And the district attorney should be recalled to resign.
But some people say, okay, Kim Kardashian jumped on, and sure, there was a lot of social media. But are they wrong in this case? Is that the sentence too harsh for this case?
Well, that's what appellate courts are for.
Okay.
So, of course, this person was going to have an appeal. The appellate court would have looked at it. It seems pretty clear to me that it's cruel and unusual under the Eighth Amendment and would have overturned or truncated the sentence to a reasonable sentence. But the only reason that this is now a public case or that we know about it is because a public figure decided to make a point of it.
And now we're going through all this whole process. Let's also draw attention to Southern California, LAPD, and that 14-year-old at the Burlington Coat Factory, the victim of kind of a collateral damage here. There was a person hurting others, an assault suspect, and they were trying to get rid of that person or apprehend him. The officer fired his weapon, and it ricocheted, it looks like, off the ground, from what I understand, went through a wall and hit that 14-year-old. The family is frustrated, saying this could have been handled better. What's your take?
My take is this happens in real time. My take is that being a police officer is one of the hardest jobs in the world. They don't get enough credit and we don't give them enough respect. This is the job for real. They got a call, several 911 calls, that a man with a bike chain was swinging it, hitting people. The officers walked into a pool of blood, a trail of blood, and the officer did his job by taking out the person that was hurting and harming and potentially killing other people. I'm sad that the...
But let me push you on this a little bit. There are some people who are going to say, look, the person didn't have a gun. He had a bike chain. And as lethal as bike chains can be, it still wasn't a gun. And some people are frustrated, saying this was a bit of overkill on this. Your response?
I disagree. I think that a bike chain, when you're swinging it, can hurt and kill somebody very easily. There was a trail of blood, Richard. There's a pool of blood that the officers actually walked through to get to the suspect. And think of it the other way.
Yeah.
Say they didn't do anything and they tried to talk to the person, and then that person took the chain and then killed a sales representative or killed somebody else, blunt force trauma to the head. Then they would have been excoriated that you didn't do your job. This is a real and present danger. This is somebody that was not being able to be negotiated with, that had harmed many people with a deadly weapon, swinging it. I think the officer did the right thing. I am sad about the girl's death. But this is the job, and it's a hard job. And you should thank a cop.
Yeah, difficult each way. It could have ended up much differently depending on the outcome had they taken a different course of action. Ken, thanks so much for joining us. Like your insight on these cases. Appreciate it as always. All right, 7:48 right now. Let's get over to Adam.